guys! Hi mga kabitukon! For today's video, binigyan ako ng pagkain ng Thailand. Okay. So, let's try. So, I don't know what is this. I think this is a sauce. Okay. We will try it. How is it? And this is a rice. I don't know, this kind of rice, sticky rice. And then this is a chicken. So we have a rice and we have a sauce, and we will try to eat this kind of food. Yeah, so let's start to eat. I have a spoon. Oh, very magahi man ang ilang rice. This one. Bilat. Wow. Very spicy. So, wow, amazing. Sobrang sarap guys. Ito pala yung food, pagkain ng mga Thailand. Putang nga pertak hang ani oy. Putkahalang. Look at this. A lot of sili mani. My God. Para magkaalmurahan na siya tayo nito. No? At least binigay. Bigay lang to guys. One of my friend. Not my friend is sobrang anghang niya talaga, promise. Good. Thank you for watching.